Let's unbox this Fit Vogue leisure folding camping chair made for outdoors, and it's heated with the seat and back with storage bag. It has 3 different temperature settings for heating on your back. This is great for any outdoor enthusiast such as myself, whether you're outdoors at a campfire, camping, maybe fishing, any time of the year. It would be great, because if you have bad back like me, then you would love the heating feature on it. And I absolutely love the cup holder. I just set my cup in there to see if it would fit. And here's where you plug in. I had a solar power bank, so it worked perfectly for this. So I plugged it in and just slipped it in the pocket, and then I turned on the 3 different heat settings here. Each color determines from low, medium to high heat, being the red is the highest heat. Yeah, only my husband would be doing this. I missed my chair, looked outside, and asked him what in the crap he was doing. He said he got tired of going out in the cold and the snow, taking my dog out when she takes a long time to go to the bathroom, and decided to use my lawn chair and make himself at home. Only my husband would do this. I don't know if you have a husband like mine, but I guess this chair is his instead of mine. And yeah, he's funny.